So we want to average only check. So if we have some data here, we want to add some checkboxes, and we only want to average those particular items. Here we have some sighting locations, a creature, and a credibility score. We don't want to just say equals average D2 colon D, which would be an average of 56 credibility score here. We want to only check some. So let's go over to the A column. Let's insert some checkboxes. There you go. And let's say we want to just do Bigfoot, Yeti, and Wingo. Now those are 3 items checked off. Over here on our average, let's delete that. Make it nice and green maybe. We're going to do equals filter, and we're going to filter the D column. What is the condition? Well, the A column equals true. And if we just do this alone, we see the numbers 82, 35, 88. Now this allows us to see, okay, we're on the right track. We got all those numbers. Now just average them. So just wrap average around that filter, and we got the average only for the check boxes. So that'll change as I check these boxes. One issue will be if I have nothing checked, I'll get an error, which sometimes people don't like to see that. So right between average and filter, wrap around the filter if NA, and I like to go over here to the other side and do a comma, nothing, just comma, and then the end parentheses, and we'll get 0. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.